Hello friends. So let us talk about mobile information architecture. Now mobile information architecture plays an important role creating initiative and well structural navigation, content flow structure of software, website, internet or mobile applications. So it has two main components. So one is identification and definition of app content and functionality, and second is the underlying organization structure and non-claimature that defines the relationship between the app content and the functionality. So remember that functionality is about how it functions, how it behaves. Structure is how it has been define how it has been evolved. So information architecture, mobile information architecture is part of a non on-screen user interface rather than IA informs UI. UI is usability interface. So the RA mobile information architecture is documented in spreadsheets, diagram, usually not in wireframes. So typically the activities is undertaken in defining information architecture involved. So it has content inventory, examination of an existing application website to locate and identify existing app and site content. So from where I have taken is I want just like Play Store. This content inventory is the example of a Play Store or I don't know about the iPhones and also if Android it's based on Play Store. From the Play Store you browse, you try to search for the application and then you download from it. Now content audit. So evaluation of content hierarchy, relevance, priorities, usefulness and accuracy and overall effectiveness. Then information grouping, group of user-centered relationship between the content and its type. Then you have a taxonomy development that definitions of standardized naming convention control vocabulary to apply all site content. So these are the activities that is undertaken. So during your information architecture, mobile information architecture to be built, the information grouping is required, content audit is required, taxonomy development required. So in taxonomy, definition of standardized naming convention to apply to all site is given. So as we live in a smartphone area and mobile apps, mobile websites are overtaken in conventional software and website. So understanding how the information and navigation flows in mobile application scenarios are becoming more and more crucial. So this descriptive information creation and definition of useful metadata that can be utilized to generate relative link, this or other navigation component that aid discovery. Okay, this I have read out. As we live in a smartphone area and mobile websites, we are overtaking the conventional software and websites, and now we are information, and now we relate with the information navigation flow in mobile application scenarios. So, as the designers, developers, or the UX experts, they put their effort in creating a successful and better mobile application or a website. So the question they ask is, what will be the right interface? How do I design the better navigation? How do I how do I maximize the use of creation real estate? What type of pattern and screen element shall I use? What do I build prototype and conduct a usability test? So the first two questions concern about the structuring of labeling of content, which is basically the foundation of information architecture. Then gets translated into the sitemap and the process map. The mobile information accumulates knowledge from the discovery period to define what primary objectives are and how it will be achieved. Those information architect also works with the other team members like designer, business analysts, developers to gain into insights and develop personas. So most modern mobile devices come with a touchscreen which provides their own set of opportunity and constraints. We use them not only to view content but we also interact with that content. This forces designers to provide ergonomics, gesture, transition, finally mobile specific interaction pattern. The mobile app site should only contain what is important and contextual to the user when using mobile phone. Then menus user prefer shorter and prominent content on phone, which means key content on main section and leave the secondary content of the lower screen. So in this way, we completed our mobile information structure.